When you turn on face orientation in Blender, the faces are supposed to turn blue and red. But as you can see, it's not working here. However, in my case, if I go inside the model, the red color does appear correctly. So why is the blue color not showing then? Well, sometimes when you update Blender, some settings get changed without any warning, and that can cause either the blue or red face orientation color to disappear. So if one of these colors is missing for you, here's how you can fix it. Click on Edit, Preference, Themes, 3D Viewport, then go to Face Orientation Back Front, and check the alpha values for the color that you are missing. As you can see, the alpha value of my front face orientation was set to 0. That's why the blue color was not showing up. So if I change the value to 0.7, I can finally see my missing blue color again, and everything is now back to normal.